name is Ambassador Frank Chito. I feel honored because I left as a minister in 2006.
Okay.
I was in the minister. I was Minister of Culture for 3 years, between 2002 2006. And for them to say today that nobody had beaten my record since I left the ministry, what I did in 3 years, and nobody had beaten the record to today, it's a thing of pride for me. I'm very happy about it, and I'm happy that the thought of it to bring me back to come and give me this honor. They're going to give me. And for the past 18 years, nobody has beaten my record. My message for my people in Lagos is to congratulate them for keeping the flag flying. Because Igbo people are not very good in organizing themselves, especially those of them closer home. So when the people organize themselves the way they have done here in Lagos, I feel proud of them. And I encourage them to keep it up, because there's no other way to go than to be together, to be your brother's keeper, your sister's keeper. All of them have to work together. That is supposed to be. So I congratulate them, I'm very proud of them.
On Thursday, 23rd of October 2025, an award of excellence was handed to Ambassador Chief Frank Nchita Ogbuewu by the prestigious Association of Nigerian Journalists and Tourism Writers, ANJET, at Sheraton Hotels, Ikeja, Lagos. Highlight of the event showed that Ambassador Chief Frank Nchita Ogbuewu had remained the most impactful Minister for Culture and Tourism after 18 years of office. The entire body of ANJET congratulated him for his outstandingness, and also delegates from Eco Development Union Lagos were there to cheer him on.
My name is Meba Igwe Monday, the president of Eco Development Union Lagos branch. Today is a very memorable day for us. One of the illustrious son of the state, and a Greek Euroko in the Poland, His Excellency Ambassador Chief Frank Nchita Ogbuewu is being honored by the Culture and Tourism Center in Nigeria after 18 years that he has left office as the Honorable Minister for Culture and Tourism. And it's a remarkable event. From the organizers of this very occasion, they said for 18 good years that no minister has surpassed his achievements, the record he led over 18 years ago as the Minister of Culture and Tourism. They've gone through their records, and he has been the most outstanding of all ministers of culture and tourism that this country has had for over 18 years. And he's being honored today with a special recognition award for that very purpose. So for us in Ipo, and most importantly IT in Lagos, we are so excited and proud of this achievement, and that's why now we're here to be with him and to rejoice with him. One of the things that is known about Ipo, we are very hardworking, we are very resilient, and my advice to our people in Lagos is for let us exhibit this excellence that is known of us. As you can see, our father here, very recognized after 18 years of the milestone he has achieved when he was minister. So anywhere you found yourself, it doesn't matter what you do, put excellence in it. Do it to the best of your strength and of your knowledge. And therefore, don't ever limit the times you have to always improve yourself in whatever you're doing. Any field you find yourself, do it very well and do it to the best of your knowledge and excel in what you're doing. That's exactly what is being done here today. He's been honored for the excellence he has in the foundation he laid over 18 years ago. So we are known for hard working, and my advice for every of our people in Lagos is to continue being hard. Don't get yourself involved in any kind of evil vices. No, there is dignity in labor, and every hard work pays, and that's exactly what we're seeing here today.
My name is Mrs. Mary John. I'm the president of IB Lagos branch. I'm excited to witness the award given to one of our own, the person of Ambassador Ogbuewu. He's a hard-working man who have come to realize that over 18 years of services, he remained the best, and that is why we are here to cheer him up, to make him feel better. As a woman, we need to be hardworking. whatever we are doing, let us do it well, because you don't know what tomorrow will bring. So just like today, we are honoring our own son. Tomorrow it can be another person's turn. Probably it can be our roommate. So we always encourage them to be hardworking. Whatever they are doing, they should do it well, because integrity pays. By tomorrow, in fact, they can be recognized in one way or the other.
My name is Mr. Manda. I'm here for Ambassador Frank Ostodo. So I'm proud of you, and we are praying for more elected position like governor or minister. I encourage all the posts in Lagos. Let them come up, whatever any function that comes up, so that we know ourselves. Thank you, and God bless you.